How y'all do it? Because I'm... What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. You have come back to Charismatic Glam with me, Charisma, and I thank you guys for watching. So today, we got a lot to get into because, you know, at this particular point, we are on, again, like day 7,365, you know. Most of us are trying to hold on to our wigs, trying to, you know, secure the lace and all kind of stuff to continue to stay sane during this quarantine. So I just hope that the videos and the content that you're seeing around YouTube is either inspiring you, making you laugh, or teaching you a thing or two to get you through this quarantine. So today's video will be nothing different. It will be a video on some stuff basically that I found that I think that you guys, you know, during your time of going out, food shopping and stuff like that, you guys can get into. So I'm not going to ramble too much longer. I just want to get into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about, and I'm not even sure if I spoke about this in the previous video because I had a haul, but I'm not sure if I spoke about this, but baby, if y'all don't get this stuff here, if y'all don't have it already, this illuminating set and mist spray, I used it today. As you guys can see, this stuff has some type of, I don't even know what it is, like some type of gold flecks or something like that in it when you spray it on your skin. That works really well, in my opinion, with highlighter. Like, you see that? That literally was my e.l.f. And I know I used this before. It's called e.l.f. Apricot Glow. That's the highlighter that I use. Yes, e.l.f. Apricot Glow. And literally, it was just a little tap of this stuff. Sprayed this on. And you would think that I literally was just baking in this stuff. Just literally, I don't even want to spray it again because I've been spraying it. But this right here, on top of your foundation. And like I told you guys before, I am a oily girl. So this right here worked really well. And I haven't really gotten oily yet. So I need to go get some more of this. e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set Spray. Yo, get yourself some. But that's not what this video is about. But I had to mention it to y'all. Because I'm always, like I said, I know how to save the coins. And I know how to make y'all look like, you know, you spending some real money. And ain't spending nothing. Not a thing. So, anyway. Back into the video. So, if you guys notice, the nails are gone. They are gone. So, I'm out here looking crazy. Like, I look like I scrap for a living. Like, just, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to look like that. And I know some of y'all out there probably looking the same way. Like, y'all be ready to dial y'all nail tech. Like, hello? Are you open yet? What day you open? Let me know. Tell me the time. Because I know I'm ready to call my nail tech. But since we got to be safe, you know, we got to stay at home. We got to continue to social distance and stuff like that. We got to take matters into our own hands, ladies. Like, we can't be out here looking like, you know, we in high school or something when probably we wasn't really getting... I'm lying. Because in high school, I definitely was getting the nails done then, too. So I want to make sure that I take care of, you know, you ladies out there like me who definitely want to make sure that we at least try and keep it up, you know, the facade, whatever. So at my local Walmart, they had these. Like, they're so cute. LA Colors had us all in mind. Like, so I definitely couldn't disappoint LA Colors. I couldn't leave the colors there. Like, they literally had all the neon colors. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. And this is the one I really want to put on. They had other colors, though. They had, like, a darker neon green. They had blue. They had a yellow color, I believe it was. And they had one more. But these right here were my favorite. I love them. And I'm going to probably use this one tonight. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to apply it. I also bought myself some LA Colors nail glue, and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna put on some little poppets or whatever you want to call these until I can get to my nail tech. So ain't no reason why we out here looking crazy, ladies. Get yourself some little press-ons and get to work. Get busy. Like we out here, we not looking like we fighting. Like, no, we not doing that. Not for 2020. I know 2020 is really giving us, all the blues and all the feels right now, and not in a good way. But we not out here looking like, we on the struggle bus for 2020. I refuse. I'm getting off. Hello? Bus operator? This my stop. Like, I'm off. So we need to make sure that we look good. So these were $3.99, I believe, or $5.99, 3 or 5. It wasn't expensive because I got these from Walmart. They were like 3 something, which is why I got all the colors. Like, they weren't expensive. And then I got these. Look at that price, y'all. Look at that. Now, let me just throw out my little disclaimer. They not cute. They not serving. They not doing much of anything. But I got these because these are also another pair that I can use when, for whatever reason, let's say your pocket's a little low and you can't get to your nail tech and you got to, again, one day take off the nails. These are going to serve as those in-betweenies, until you can get, your pockets, on reboot and get to your nail tech. So I got these and they were 98 cents at my Walmart. What a freaking steal. Like, I couldn't leave that there. No, I had to take that. We don't play them games. We take it. Bargain. I told you guys I'm going to hook y'all up. I need y'all to be bargain shoppers too and look like y'all spend money. Like, we're not trying to give them all our money. We trying to give them a portion, like, a little bit of pennies. Here you go. And look like we just stepped out of the salon, doing it. But we ain't really doing it. But we doing it when we step out though. So I wanted to make sure that I came to y'all today. So not only though are we making sure that the nails are looking good, because we can't have y'all walking around with crusty, dusty feet. I had to make sure that I hooked y'all up too. So look at this. I got this from my local Walmart, and before I even talked about it, I had to use it myself. So I used this. What is it? I used it, I think, Saturday or something like that. These are like these sock things. Anyway, let me tell y'all first before I just start going into what it is. So this is the Earth Therapeutics Smooth and Soft Gentle Peeling Foot Mask with sock type delivery system. So it's supposed to smooth, soften, and peel away rough, dry skin and calluses. Ladies, if you guys are like me and y'all wear the heels and stuff like that, and listen, I don't know about y'all, but I'm not no kitten heel type of chick. I am a stiletto, 4 or better. I don't do 6 feet. Now, for those girls, y'all really kill it with them high shoes. I can't do all that. But 4 or better, 5-inch heels, I got y'all. Like, sometimes, especially when your shoes don't have enough support in them shoes, like, the balls of your feet really be killing it. So sometimes you might get a callus or 2 or whatever like that, So I got y'all. Number 2, right now the nail shops are closed. The hair appointments is canceled. Everything canceled. Everything canceled around here. So ain't no reason why, when your man laying in the bed or you in the bed and you cutting yourself and have these unexplained cuts and bruises on yourself that, because this quarantine ain't the time. Like, I can't have y'all running to the hospital for, fractures and bruises because y'all feet is like woofing out here. So I'm hooking y'all up. I'm helping y'all. So I used one last week Saturday, I believe. Well, yeah, last week Saturday. And ladies, listen, y'all might have to cancel y'all foot pedicure appointments. That's how good this stuff is. When I tell you I use it, it's like a sock thing and it has like whatever the product in it. It's in the sock material. I put this on, then I put a pair of socks on top of it, sat literally for 60 minutes. It recommends 60 to 90 minutes. I sat for a full hour with this stuff, rinsed my feet off, put on some socks and went about my day. When I tell you guys that this stuff right here, literally every time you take your bath, your feet are just peeling, all that dead skin and stuff like that. Dead skin that I didn't even know that I had on my feet were coming off. Like this right here. Listen, ladies, I got this from Walmart. Everything that I'm showing you guys today, though, I got it from Walmart. This was $2.98. When I tell you I cleared the whole entire shelf, ain't none left. So don't check the Walmart. It ain't nothing there for ya. But if you lucky, maybe they might have read up already and brought you, some more. I mean, but when I tell you the way this stuff has your feet soft and just supple and the dead skin is coming off your feet, you wouldn't even believe that you didn't even, like, once you feel your feet, you wouldn't even believe that you didn't go to a salon. So now what I will tell you guys about this is almost every single day up until it completely stops, you're going to see some sort of peeling on your feet. So don't be alarmed. Don't say, oh my God, Charisma, you told me, that it was going to be soft and supple. Yeah, but every single day after you use this, just one time, your feet are going to continuously peel and shed them calluses, and your feet will just feel so soft. Like my feet feel really soft. So I'm not going to show you guys my feet now because even though the feet are soft, the toenails ain't done. I ain't no pro there. So I still kind of need, to get in the nail shop for that. But this right here, listen, y'all gonna want it. So take my word for it. Try it out. It was $2.98 at Walmart. Try it. It's worth your money. So also, because I'm such an absolute makeup lover, and since the quarantine has been forcing us to literally live in one store, we don't have options. Makeup stores, non-makeup stores, life is canceled at this particular time. It's forcing me to visit literally all the aisles when it comes to Walmart. So this right here. So I'm sure some of you guys might already have it. Again, y'all stay having me late to the party anyway. But like I said, I've arrived finally. And this right here is the Pro Fusion Cosmetics Wanderlust palette. 21 Pro Pigment shades. And it comes with a brush. So I have not used it just yet. What I did was I went online and did a little bit of research and seen other people use it. And so far, it seems like they're pretty, decently pigmented. But I'll play around with it a little bit so that way I can give you guys a more honest review of the palette. Because right now, I'm just showing you what I got. But I want to give you guys an honest review and a look with this palette. So that way, if you like it, you can go grab it. This was $9 and I believe 88 cents, $9.88 or even $9.98 at my local Walmart. So no, it wasn't on sale, but I had to have it. These colors, especially this purple, these two purples, like so far, this is just off looking at it. Like I haven't touched anything, I haven't swatched nothing. I'll do that in another video. So if you want a video on this palette along with a look, please like this video. Please subscribe and thumbs up and also hit that notification so that way y'all know whenever I start bringing y'all the fire. So, like I said, this palette, $9.98, and I got it just because it's pretty. I like pretty stuff. So, I'm hoping that it's worth every bit of my coins. So, along with that, I definitely wanted, because I'm starting to run out of my NYX milk pencil, and I don't have no more. Like I'm running low. I'm getting real low on that product. So I was like, dang, what can I find that's just as good as my NYX? So I had, again, y'all don't be telling me. I know y'all be knowing, but NYX has a white base. So this is called eyeshadow base. It's a just white color. It doesn't say milk or anything like that, like the pencil. But this is a white base. I have not even taken the plastic off of it. But I was so excited to find this. Like, I didn't even know that they had this in, like, a pot form. Which basically, I'm sure it's the milk pencil, but in a pot form. So, I got this now so I can make sure that when I'm doing my, looks, especially that calls for you to have, like, some sort of flat base and cause the colors to pop. I got this now, so I'm really excited about that. I was able to find that. I got this from Target, and I want to say it was like $6.99, so basically like $7. It could have been cheaper, but if I go back to Target, I'll be able to give you guys the exact price of this, but I think it was $6.99. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. And then along with the, what is it called? The foot mask thing that I was just telling you guys about. They also make this right here, which is called the Holy File. Girl, I'm sorry, y'all, to be showing y'all that, because I used it. I use everything. And I should have used it first, but it is what it is. But it worked. So I have this, and this, when I tell you, for those of you guys that got them feet like y'all be kicking rocks and just scrubbing the whole entire ground with y'all feet, this right here, this works. So this right here was like $4 and some change. Yeah, I think it was like $4 and some change. Pretty good product, I will say. Pretty good. So that right there wraps up my small but very useful and resourceful haul that I got from Walmart. I hope that you guys are really getting through this quarantine time. I hope that you are enjoying your family. I hope that you guys are picking up at least a new little tool or something like that to do, because I am. So I think I mentioned in a previous video, probably the video that you're going to see before this one, that I went online and I currently am making do-it-yourself stacked sweats. So, well, not that I'm making it, they're done. So I will be posting a look in my do-it-yourself stacked sweats, the plus size version, because I feel like y'all be leaving out the plus size girls on IG, on YouTube, on everywhere when it comes to y'all do-it-yourself stuff. Like, so you know what? Since y'all be leaving us out, I'm going to have to, pick it up and put it on my back and take care of us. I got y'all plus size ladies. I got you. Extra large and up. I got you. Let me show y'all how to, do it yourself too. So I'm going to post that look very soon on this channel. So please stay tuned for that. Thank you guys. 212 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Please continue to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please continue to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Because, we growing over here. Like I told you guys before, I'm a small YouTuber over here. So, we could go through everything right now over here. So, thank you guys for watching. Love you. See you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.